It is Africa Month and we are celebrating Africa through Know Africa. Let's talk about African hairstyles and why they are so iconic. African hairstyles are unique, creative, and extraordinary. The intricate braiding patterns are not only visually stunning, but also deeply rooted in tradition. One of the reasons why African hairstyles are so iconic, it's because the hairstyles were not random. The hairstyles used to serve as symbols of identity and heritage. They were used to indicate tribe, age, marital status, and social class. The Balantu tribe of southern Angola and northern Namibia are known for this hairstyle that was used to mark the different life stages of girls and women. At the beginning of puberty, thick oil mixed with finely ground tree bark is applied on girls' hair to speed up hair growth. Later, sinew strands are attached to the hair ends to elongate the hair, and the hair is braided into large braids known as embuvi braids. Then the girls go through initiation ceremony to mark their entry into womanhood. Later, the braids are tied up and arranged into an elaborate headdress to signify that the woman is married. Hairstyling was a highly regarded communal activity that fostered bonding and social interaction. It provided a space for storytelling, passing down traditions, and reinforcing community ties. Hairstyling was also entrusted to close relatives, and children would watch their elders braiding and learn. The communal hair traditions have existed for years and have provided a space where traditional hairdressing methods have been passed down through generations. In Kenya, we have three major markets: Kenyatta Market, Umoja Market, Jericho Market, and numerous hair salons which play an important role of the preservation and evolution of hairstyles. The hair salons provide a space for socializing and for training, which maintains the cultural heritage of African hairstyles. African hairstyles are also iconic because Africans loved hair jewelry and to accessorize their hairstyles like this. Elaborate hairstyles with adornments like metal cards, cowrie shells, and beads were used to distinguish members of the royal class. Also, other ornaments were used during special events like weddings and to denote tribal lineage. The accessories added an extra layer of style and beauty and were often passed down through generation, carrying sentimental value and historical significance. Let's not forget, African hairstyles have influenced global fashion and culture. From trends to runways to red carpets, these iconic hairstyles continue to inspire people worldwide, highlighting the enduring legacy and universal appeal of African hair artistry.